Welcome, dear students. I hope you are all well. Today we're going to study Unit 1, Period 4, New Vocabulary. First of all, let's have a look at Period 4. It's in page 8 and 9, as you can see here. And the first activity is about the new vocabulary. Then we have other activities about reading. So today we are going to study the new vocabulary, and later we are going to study the text and the reading text. In page 10, we have activity 1 and 2 are related to the new vocabulary that we are going to study. في الصفحة 10 عنا النشاط الأول والثاني عبارة عن الكلمات الجديدة التي سوف نتعلمها. So let's learn the new vocabulary. Let's go. Appointment means definite meeting. She had an appointment with the dentist. هي لديها موعد مع طبيب الأسنان. Canteen means dining room. For example, she will take lunch in the canteen. هي ستتناول الغداء في غرفة المقصف. Condition means state or situation or circumstance. For example, there are different weather conditions: cool, wet, warm, hot or overheat. هناك حالات جوية مختلفة: بارد، رطب، حار، دافئ، حار وشديد الحرارة. Let's see another example. Educators, students, policymakers, and parents, all of these affect the condition of education. نقول أن التربويون students الطلاب policymakers صانعي القرار وأولياء الأمور جميعهم يؤثرون في حالة التعليم. Director means manager. For example, Ali has been working as a director for 30 years. علي يعمل كمدير لمدة 30 سنة. Doctor, someone who treats people, ill people. For example, these patients are treated by primary care doctors. هؤلاء المرضى تم معالجتهم بواسطة أطباء مبتدئين. Experiment means test or try. For example, did you experiment these materials? هل قمت بتجربة هذه الأدوات والمواد؟ Feed means to give food to people or animals. For example, did you feed the cows? هل قمت بإطعام الأبقار؟ Field means wide area of open land. For example, all around the house were green fields. كل ما كان يحيط في المنزل عبارة عن حقول خضراء. Interview means hold a meeting with someone. For example, she has an interview next week. هي لديها مقابلة الأسبوع المقبل. Office is a large room with desk and computer. For example, when I go to work, I stay at my office all the time. عندما أذهب إلى العمل أبقى في مكتبي طوال الوقت. Predict means expect, foresee, or to tell something about the future. For example, it's too early to predict the results. من المبكر أن نتنبأ بالنتائج. Region means area or district. For example, snow is expected in mountain regions. Warehouse means store. For example, I put things that I don't use usually in the warehouse. Word formation. Farm plus land بيعطينا farmland أرض زراعية. Produce verb ينتج. Product noun منتج. Successful adjective ناجح. Succeed verb ينجح. Success noun نجاح. Weight noun وزن. Weigh verb يزن.
Period 4. Activity 1. Appointment. Canteen. Condition. Director. Doctor. Experiment. Feed. Field. Interview. Office. Predict. Region. Warehouse. Word formation. Farm and land. Farmland. Produce. Product. Successful. Succeed. Success. Wait. Weigh.
Now let's move to Unit 1, Period 5. Activity 1. Replace with new words from Period 4. Make any changes needed. Number 1. The people who work here eat together in our large dining room. We have to omit large dining room and put another word that has the same meaning with these words. بدنا نشطب large dining room ونجيب كلمة تساوي هذه الكلمات من الكلمات التي تعلمناها. Yes, excellent. Canteen. Number 2. At the zoo, you're not allowed to give food to the animals. We have to omit give food to and put another word which is feed. Palestine is in a part of the world that produces excellent olives. Here part means region. Well done. Number 4. Out in the desert, the heat and the dry land are very bad for farming. Give me one word that means the heat and the dry land. Yes, it's conditions. Excellent. Number 5. We're trying different ideas to find the best way of growing tomatoes. We have to omit trying different ideas and put another word instead of them, which is experimenting. Good. Number 6. Mona often tells what her test results will be. So, instead of tells, we can put predicts. Number 7. The director has a large room with his desk and computer. Instead of room with his desk and computer, بدلا من كلمات هذه الكلمات room with his desk and computer, we can put one word, which is office. You are brilliant, excellent. Let's move to the next activity in period 5. Activity 2. Add other new words from period 4. Make any changes needed. Number 1 is mini dialogue between A and B. حوار قصير. A. Who's the فراغ of the Farm Research Center? Who's the? Yes, director. B. The head of the organization is فراغ أدنان مقديسي. Yes, Dr. أدنان مقديسي. Number 2. A. What happens to your فراغ after they leave the factory? What happens to your, yes, products? B. We keep them in our فراغ ready to send to our customers. We keep them in our warehouses. Number 3. A. You have a very large area of فراغ, don't you? A very large area of farmland. Yes. B. Yes, and we use all of these to grow different kinds of crops. Yeah, we use all these fields. Number 4. A. You فراغ in growing some of the biggest melons in the world. You've succeeded. Yes, أنتم نجحتم في زراعة أكبر شمام في العالم. Yes, they're a big فراغ. They فراغ as much as 7 kilos. The B بيقول لي yes, they're a big success. نعم. لأنه عندي adjective قبلها. They فراغ as much as 7 kilos. طبعا عندنا وزن. They weighs. They weigh. Number 5. A. Hello, I'm Alan Snow and I have an فراغ with Dr. Rania Badawi. I have an appointment. B. Oh, yes, Mr. Snow. You're interviewing here for TV, aren't you? That's all about the new vocabulary in period 4. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.